Hi, I am Karthik Rannan. I am the president of the Wall Street Club of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives while they try to navigate the world of finance. I am happy that we will be able to close this workshop successfully on a very good note.
Hi, I am Raghunendra Singh and I am the Technical Director of the Wall Street Club at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. It was a great amazing conducting this workshop with XLR. The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets, which was very helpful for the people who are interested in the field of finance, business or analytics in general. Thank you.
I attended a workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
The journey was great. Initially, I thought that I was not proficient enough in Excel, but later I came to know there was no prerequisites for it, and then I applied for it, and it was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
Good evening, myself Kavya Ganatra. I am from Computer Science Association. I was the POC for this ML workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Tasneem. I'm the senior manager at 98 percentile in the HR department. And today we did a wonderful drive with XLR. It was amazing right from the very beginning, from the very first day when I got in touch with them till today. I think it was an extremely smooth journey with them. There were multiple follow-ups done by the representatives in order to check that we would be, what time we would be coming, how many people would be coming, what vehicle we would get. To that extent, they were so precise in giving all the information to us. It was extremely great to get associated with them and have a drive at XLR campus. So we are very, very happy that we got a chance to do this. Now, coming to the students, what XLR had, I think they were extremely enthusiastic. They were well prepared. They were aware of what they are coming for. I think there was some back end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident and they were open to any kind of thing we were asking them to do. That was I think the best part. Now, I really hope we have a very, very fruitful association with each one of them and XLR in future. We are really looking forward to have many more drives like this.
Good evening, everyone. So this is Chandana from XLR Solutions. So how are you guys? Response, please. Guys, I'm telling good evening, everyone. Please respond. In YouTube also. Okay, fine. You have any queries regarding session? So today we are going to conduct a quiz. Okay, about directions. Any questions, guys? Why this is a so dull evening? I don't know. Inform to your friends as well. So still people are joining. Hello ma'am, new joining. I'm eligible for placement or not? Gopichand, can you please let me know which background you are? BTech or degree? Any PG courses you are doing? It's a weekend tomorrow. No, tomorrow also we have a class, Muhammad. So tomorrow we have a class on programming skills. Okay, 10:30 to 1 morning session. BTech 4th year. Yes, you are eligible for the placement assistance. Gopichand. Ma'am, I'm MBA student. What's your opinion about my placement? Sorry, Nagma. We are providing only for final year engineering students. Certificate or issue, ma'am? No, after completion of this program, we will provide a certificate as well. Okay, for all participants. Please inform your friends also to join the session. So we'll start within 2 to 3 minutes. Nagma, we are providing only for final year engineering students, not for MBA, MCA. Okay. BCA also is not eligible for placements. I'm highlighting the final year engineering students. Okay, for them only we are providing placement assistance. Ma'am will be there at test tomorrow. No, today we have a quiz on directions. Tomorrow we don't have any quiz. So Sunday we'll plan on the programming skills. Last week also we didn't conduct test, no? Is there any course for engineering English with certificate, ma'am? No, Mohammed. In this Skill Up Pioneers only, we are teaching about verbal ability and soft skills as well. So further means from February 12th onwards, we are starting with verbal ability. Please join. Okay. Ma'am, tomorrow college classes are there, ma'am. So conduct in evening. No, we can't able to shift those timings. So you can watch the recordings, no? It's better. Who is eligible to placement? Final year engineering students, Gayatri. Ma'am, tomorrow and Sunday class will be 10:30. Yes. Weekends we have a class 10:30. Ma'am, where will be the quiz going on? Pooja, at last 20 minutes, I'm going to send a form. So in the class only, we are going to conduct a quiz. Okay, don't worry about that. Maybe you are new to this program, we'll get to know. Attendance, it's okay. For tomorrow, no issue. You can watch recordings. And Sunday, you don't have a college, no? So that time you join the class. You can mark your attendance. Ma'am, how it is beneficial for MBA students? So you want to then what competitive exams now? So it is very useful for that. These are the mandatory topics, and for the MNC entrance exam also it is very useful. Okay, then we'll start the class today. So I'm going to hand over this class to Sai Kiran. Sai Kiran, you can take it up. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Sai Kiran. See, in the last class we have seen, can someone brief me what are the topics we have seen? What are the different types of models in it? What are the different types of models in it? And what are the topics we have seen? What are the models in it? Can someone brief? Unmute yourself and brief whatever we have discussed. No one? No one can brief? Gopichand, you unmute and brief about the topic. You unmute and brief about the topic.
Good evening, sir. Sir, we have
Yeah.
learned on analogy, which is of three patterns. And first pattern is direct coding, and second pattern is condition or digit coding, and third pattern is like substitution coding. And then we have solved many problems on the three patterns.
Okay.
And also we have studied about odd man out.
Odd man out. Okay.
And
Next. In odd man out, what is the important thing I told? In analogies, I told you something. Now, whatever you told is coding and decoding.
yes, sir.
All the methods what I told is coding and decoding, right?
Yes, sir.
What about this uh, analogies? I have given some codes now.
Yes, sir. You have said that relation on LHS is should be same as the relation of RHS, and
Okay. Okay.
mainly
Very
the
good.
logic
Very good.
should be known to the. There
Hmm.
are many types of logics, but the logic should on LHS should be equal to the
Hmm.
RHS website. And, yes.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. So I'll once show whatever we have discussed in the last class. See, first initially, last class, first we have seen, before that we have seen directions. After that, I went into analogy, then I went for coding. In coding and decoding, the main important criteria is to identifying the logic, either it is analogies or whether it is analogies or whether it is coding and decoding, we have to identify our logics first. So to identify the logics, you will get it only when you practice more and more. So for that, you should be knowing in coding and decoding, you should be very good with the numbers, numbering for this uh, uh, alphabets, front and backward. So from front to backward, both sum of front and if suppose A is alphabetically first number and from backward it is 26th number. So one forward plus backward together it will be 27. Okay. So in the same way, you should be knowing sum of 27 cases also. A is 1 and Z is 26. Sum of these two is 27. And logic to identify or else to find out this remember the numbers I have given like E Jyoti is 5s and P value, T value, G value I have given a logic. Just to remember. If I give more na, you people cannot remember. Only few logics. Along with that, I told you to write on the rough paper the numberings for Z whenever you are starting an paper, and you'll be having some 5 minutes or 10 minutes before you write the exam, no? Start the exam that and put. Next, coming to that, we have solved some questions. This is direct coding. Then substitution coding. Okay, these three we have seen. Direct coding, condition or digit coding, and then substitution coding. These three we have seen. Then coming to numbers analogies. What happened? We have seen analogies also. 1 minute. That also I'll share now. 1 minute. So coming to analogies, starting with the analogy, for every topic I'll be telling you the weightage and then what are the main important things. That is prime number series, squares, divisions, multiplications, additions, subtractions, Weber mass rule. All this should be known. So and then I told you like Vinod, I think Vinod told it is like relation on LHS. Relation on the LHS should be same as relation on RHS. Those who have attended aptitude classes, they will be knowing that uh, we have seen topic variation, proportion, ratios. In proportion topic, whatever we have seen, the same we will be applying here. So after that, directly I went into the problems. I told you to identify the logics. I was very happy that many people were able to identify and answer very quickly. So I have solved many questions. I didn't give you initially logics. I told you the questions itself. In that itself, I was showing you the logics. Why the way I went was opposite to the way how people teach outside. Initially, they'll tell away the logics and they'll tell you to identify which logic has come in the question. With that, will not our brain nothing. There is nothing from our brain to see. What we'll do now? Immediately after seeing the question, we'll go for that earlier logic. So why I am coming in the reverse way in the sense, if you see the question and if you are able to identify the logic which comes, then that will be there in your mind for longer time period. You will keep it in your mind for most of the time period. Okay. Whatever is there beside, if you see that and just answer this, you will not get anything. So what I did is, I went the opposite way. In the problems itself, I gave you logics. everything will be following one group, and all 4 out of 5 will be following one logic, and other one will not follow. We have to identify that one. Okay, here also. Okay, these are the things that we have discussed in the last class. I think next day you'll be having a quiz on these. Today you'll be having quiz on today they are going to have quiz on directions, blood relations. I think directions, blood relations you already had a quiz. Directions you will be having a quiz. So is anybody having any doubt with the topics, with earlier topics? If anybody have doubts, you tell me. If not, we'll go for next topic. Is anybody having any doubt? Shall I go for symbols and notations? Shall I go for it? Okay. So now coming to the symbols and notations case. Is anybody having any idea about the symbols and notations or inequalities topic? Do you have any idea about this? If anybody is having any idea, please tell me. Do you have any idea about this? Tell me. So weightage of this in your placement examination would be, see in placements it will be 2 questions to 3 questions. In banking or insurance examination, you'll have 5 questions. If you go for SSC or state RRB or your state government examinations, you'll have 2 questions. GATE, the weightage is 1 mark. In CAT, you'll have a weightage of 3 marks. Mostly in CAT, they'll not give you this because it will be very easy. There is one case where you'll be asked frequently. Okay. So now I'll get into the topic. So now I'll be getting into the topic. See here. See here, you have to identify the logic first. What is the logic? The relations, how we are going to find out, you see. A greater than B. A greater than A greater than B, B greater than C, C less than D. I'll give you the logics, don't worry. Equal to F, less than or equal to F, less than G, greater than H, greater than or equal to I. If this is the case, see what I am going to do is, he'll just give you a statement. He'll give you a statement. Listen to this carefully. Once if you understand this, then entire questions will be very easy. So he'll give you a statement like this, and he'll give you conclusions. I'll show you in the question. See. So this is the statement. Okay. These are the conclusions. These are These are the conclusions. So in these conclusions, from this statement, we should tell whether these conclusions are working out or not. Okay, from these conclusions, I should tell whether these conclusions are correct or not. That is what he has given in this question. See in the following, see, I think for YouTube people, question is getting disturbed because of my video. So in the following, each of the following questions, relations between different elements is shown in the statements. These statements are followed by two conclusions. Give answer if conclusion 1 follows, conclusion 2 follows, and conclusion 1 or 2 follows, 1 or 2 follows, or either of these follows, or both follows. So we have to, from the given statement, we have to find out whether the conclusions are following or not. Okay. So now coming to this, A is greater than B. So from this, with respect to A, if I want to tell relation between A and B, it is already we know that A is greater than B. And between A and C, A is greater than C. Now between A and D, we cannot give the relation. Okay. We cannot give the relation because like A is greater than B and B is less than D. Okay. Between A and D, two opposite symbols are coming. If you have two opposite symbols like this, we cannot give the relation between A and D. After this, whatever is there, for that we cannot give the relation. Okay. So once opposite symbol, if it comes, after that, whatever we have for between A and C, A and E, I cannot give the relation. Between A and F, I cannot give the relation. Between A and G, I cannot give the relation like this. Okay. So now coming with respect to B, between B and A, what is the relation? B is less than A. Between B and C, B is greater than C. And then B and D, I cannot give any relation. B and D, B and E, B and F, I cannot give any relations. Now coming to C. C and B, what is the relation? C is less than B. Am I correct? C is less than B. And then C is less than A. So 2, 3, 4, you think. So A, B, C. So C is, sorry, 4, 3, 2, you think. So B is less than C. Similarly, A is also less than C, or else C is also less than A. And then C and D. Already we have relation. Now coming to this two, we have like C is less than D, that equal to E. So can I write it as C is less than E? Can I write or not? I'll substitute E in place of D. So C is less than E. C is less than E. Now coming to this, C is less than D, that equal to E, that is less than or equal to F. So these two, what I did, C is less than E, that is less than or equal to F. So now what is the relation between C and F, you tell me? Suppose we have 3, 4, 4. Then what happens? If I tell like this, I'll get confused. Okay, see, C less than E less than or equal to F. So here, which is dominating? Less than is dominating, no? So it will be C is less than F. Okay, you cannot take less than or equal to. I'll explain that again clearly in the question. C is less than F. Now coming to C and G. C and G, what is the relation? C is less than G. Next, C and H. C and H, if you take, once opposite symbol has come, so we cannot take relation between C and H. After that, C and I also I cannot take the relation. Okay, understood how I have taken? Did you understand how I have taken the relation? Did you understand or not? You please tell me. If anybody is having doubt, you tell me. So once check out, you comment the relations for F. You check out the comment relations for D. Sorry, D, you tell me. So now what about relation with D? So with D, very good Vaibhav. Vaibhav, Gopichand, Vivek, Manikanta, Mansi, Pranita. In YouTube also you should comment CSE subjects, Vemula Balaji. These are commenting. Okay. So now see, with respect to D, if you take now, D and A, we cannot find the relation. D and B, we cannot find the relation. D and C, C and D, we have a relation already. C is less than D. Next, D equal to E. Next, D is less than or equal to F. That's all, no? In place of E, I can put D. Okay. Next, E and G, what is the relation? D and G relation is, that's all, no? Next, D and H, I cannot give the relation. D and I also, I cannot give the relation. Okay. Now coming to case of E, with respect to E, with A, B, C, I cannot give the relation. E equal to D. E is less than or equal to F. E is less than G. And E and H, I cannot give any relation. Am I correct? Okay. So now similarly for F also, F is greater than or equal to E. F is greater than or equal to D. That's all. Now after that, I cannot give relations for earlier ones. F is less than G, and then F and H, I cannot give any relation. Now coming to G. So G is greater than F. Am I correct? G is greater than E. G is greater than D. That's all, no? Any other relations possible? And G and C also I can give the relation, I think. G and C also I can give, F and G, C also I can give the relation, no? F is less than, F is, F and C, what is the relation? F is greater than C. That would be the relation. Okay. Because it would be like C less than D, that equal to E, that is less than or equal to F. This would be written like C is less than E, that is less than or equal to F. So C will be less than F, so F will be greater than C. That's all, no? Next, coming to H. What about H? G and C also I can give the relation, no? G is greater than C. Next, coming to H. We cannot give for H relation with any of the object. So it would be H is greater than or equal to I and H is less than G. These are the two possible relations. Now coming to I case, I would be like I is greater than or equal to less than or equal to H. I is greater than G. Less than G. These are the possible relations. Okay. So why this is required and all, I will be telling you. Comparison and distribution cases will be there. There I will be telling you what would be the relations, how we can do. Okay. How it is used. This everybody understood, no? So now I will give you some logics. Please tell me whether what I write is correct or wrong. So now coming to this, see, statement is A is less than D, that is greater than C, that is less than E, that is greater than B. Statement. Conclusions. Conclusions are C is greater than B, A is less than E, D greater than B. So tell me whether these are following or not. C and B, you have any relation? Everyone be fast. C and B, you have any relation? Can you, is this correct? C and B? See, this is the statement. From this statement, you have to tell this. We cannot tell, no? So this is false. This is false. So next, what about A and E? A and E, is there any relation? In between, we have ones greater, no opposite symbol, no, so we cannot tell. Between D and B also opposite symbols are there, so no relation exists. So similarly, next I will tell you, see. So next one. So statement is B greater than or equal to D, that is less than or equal to A, that is greater than or equal to F, that is less than or equal to C. So conclusions are A greater than or equal to C, B less than or equal to F, D greater than or equal to C. Next, similarly, one more also I'll write here. Statement is P greater than or equal to R, that is greater than Q, that equal to T, that is greater than or equal to S. Conclusions are P greater than or equal to Q, P greater than Q, Q greater than or equal to S. So now what is the logic here? See here, this is not following between A and C. We have an opposite symbol, that is this one. So this is not going to follow. Between B and F also we have opposite symbols, not going to follow. This is also not going to follow. So now what about this one here? What about this one? In this case, P and Q. So P is greater than equal to R. R is greater than Q. So what should be the priority? Which is dominating? Greater than is dominating. So this is not possible. This is 2. Now Q and S. Q is equal to T. That is greater than or equal to S. No. So from this, can I replace T with Q? So Q is greater than or equal to S. So this is following. Okay. Next one. Statement is A is greater than B, that is greater than F, that is greater than C. D is greater than E, that is greater than C. Okay, conclusions are C less than A and C greater than A. Which is true, you tell me. So which is true? Very good. So which is true here? See, A and C, we have direct relation now here. What is this? A is greater than B, greater than C. So A is greater than C. Satisfied? So A is greater than C. It means that C is less than A. Okay. So this is true. This is wrong. Okay. So now similarly, I'll give you some basics and then we'll go for the questions. Next one. So statement is R is greater than or equal to S, that is greater than or equal to T, that is greater than U, that is greater than X. Then T is less than V, that is less than W. There are two statements. Now coming to the conclusion, first one is R is greater than X. Second one is X is less than R. Okay. Tell me. See here, R and X. R and X, what is the domination? R is greater than X. So if R is greater than X, directly I can tell that first one is true. Now coming to this, the same can be written like this now, X is less than R. So for this, what can I tell? Both conclusion 1 and conclusion 2 are following. Okay, both conclusion 1 and 2 are following. Okay. So now similarly, I'll give you one more C. Statement. So K is less than or equal to L, that is less than or equal to M, that equal to N. So P is greater than or equal to O, that is greater than or equal to N. Okay. So now coming to the conclusions. Conclusion. First one is K less than O. Second one, K equal to N. Third one, K less than or equal to M. Fourth one, K is less than P. Next, fifth one, K equal to P. So now try to solve this. Solve this and tell me the answers. What could be the answers? So tell me, in this I will give you very important points. See, K and O, do we have direct relation between K and O? Please tell me, do you have direct relation between K and O? We have two statements. This K is in a separate statement and this O is in separate statement. In that case, what we'll do now, we'll try to go for the common one. Which is the common? N is common in both the cases. Am I correct? So what is the relation between K and N? K is less than or equal to N. Am I correct? K is less than or equal to N and then O is greater than or equal to N. O is greater than or equal to n. So if you combine this can I write like n is less than or equal to O? N is less than or equal to O. So now combining these two, can I write k is less than or equal to n, that is less than or equal to O? Do you accept with this or not? Please confirm me. Do you accept with this terminology or not? You accept, no? So now once I'll tell you, see. You can write this also like this, like what our person has commented. You can write like this also. 5k less than or equal to L, that is less than or equal to M, that equal to N. And then N is less than or equal to O, O is less than or equal to P. This also you can get. Okay, from this also you can tell, no problem. Okay, now coming to this is not following individually. And this is also not following individually. Am I correct? But now you try to combine these two. From this, can I get a conclusion that k is less than or equal to? Or else, wait. Here, I'll write k is less than n. Sorry. K is less than n, k equal to n. Now you tell me. Now, are first one and second one following or not? You tell me. First one and second one, are these following or not? Please confirm me. Are these following? Please confirm me whether these are following or not. The first one and second one following or not? You tell me, please. Everyone. So in this case, what I'll do now? Individually, if you check out, this will not follow. First one will not follow. Individually, if you check out, first one will not follow. And second one also will not follow. Individually, if you check out. First one will not follow and second one also will not follow. Now you try to combine and see. If you combine and see how do you study this one? K is less than or equal to n only will study, no? Am I correct? K is less than or equal to n only we are going to study, no? Am I correct or not? K is less than or equal to n. So it means that K will be equal to n or K will be less than n. So if this follows, this will not follow. If this follows, this will not follow. So whenever you have like this, K is less than or equal to n, and if you have individually two statements, one less than and one equal to, you should always put either one or two follows. Either one of this will follow. Okay, understood? So when you get two alphabets with same, with two alphabets with one with less than and one with equal to, or one with greater than and one with equal to, then there is a possibility of having either or case. Okay. Now coming to third one, what is the relation between first and K and M? we are getting K is less than or equal to M, no? So third one will follow. Now see fourth and fifth. Is there any possibility of K is less than P and K equal to P? See? See what will be the answer you see? Is there a possibility? What is the relation between K and P first? K and P will get a relation that K is less than or equal to P. So here, individually, if you check out, K less than P is not correct, K equal to P is not correct. But from these two, can I say that either 4 or 5 follows? Either 4 or 5 follows. Okay. Okay. So either or case you keep in mind whenever you solve the questions of inequalities. Okay. So now I'll give you one more. A is greater than B. This is the statement. A is greater than B, greater than or equal to C, that equal to D, that is greater than or equal to F. That is greater than G, that is less than or equal to H. It is less than I. So conclusion one is B is greater than D. Conclusion 2 is B is greater than F. Conclusion 3 is B is equal to F. Conclusion 4 is G is less than or equal to I. So what is the answer? What are following and what is not following for this? You tell me. So what is the answer? So here B and D, B is greater than or equal to D, not B alone, it will not follow. And then B is greater than or equal to F. So B is greater than or equal to F means individually these two will not follow. But from these two I can tell that either 2 or 3 follows. Either 2 or 3 follows. Now coming to fourth one, G is less than or equal to I, he told. But we have relation of G is less than I. So this will not follow. For this, the answer is conclusion, either conclusion 2 or 3 follows. Either conclusion 2 or 3 follows. Okay. So now can you solve the questions if I give? Can you solve the questions if I give? These are not that tough. Okay. Next. So see this. So here you will be given statement, you will be given conclusions. We have to tell whether that conclusions are following or not. If only one follows, that is first one. Only two follows, it is second one. Either R follows, it is option C. None follows means neither. Both one and two, first and second individually follows. Okay. See this question and tell me. First one. What is the answer? First one. So very good. Many people are responding positively. Very good. Okay, see the first one. See, P is greater than Q, Q is greater than R. And then he has given relation between P and T. So we don't have direct relation between P and T. So we have Q, which is common in both the cases. So P is greater than Q, and then Q is greater than T. So if I combine these two, can I tell that P is greater than Q? That should be greater than T. So from this, I can say that P is greater than T. So first one is not following. And coming to second one, Q is greater than T. So from the T is less than Q. So for this answer is only conclusion 2 follows. Okay, only conclusion 2 follows is the answer for that. In second one, what is this? Between E and A, he has given relation. A is less than or equal to B. That is equal to C. And then A and E, no. So C, from this, I can say that A is less than or equal to C. And then between D and C, sorry, C and E, we have a relation that C equal to E. So from these two, I can say that A is less than or equal to E. So from this, E is greater than or equal to A. E is greater than or equal to A. So first one follows. So now coming to second one, between A and D. So already I know that A is less than or equal to C. C is less than D from this. Am I correct? C is less than D. So now A is less than or equal to C, that is less than D. So from this A is less than D. So both 1 and 2 follows for this. Now coming to this one, F and A. Sorry, F and A nowhere is there, no. So first one do not follow. Next, coming to second one, K and H. G equal to H. And then G is greater than K. So from this K is less than G, that equal to H. So K is less than H. So second one follows. So only second follows, first doesn't follow. Okay. So now coming to next. See this similarly. So this is like, what is that? Here, I think some symbol is missing. P dollar is there. P hash is there. P percentage is there. P at the rate is there. Something here. Here is missing. Let me see in the question. Hash, hash is there, no? Copyright symbol. P, copyright C. So this you note down and put. Just note down in a rough paper on the sides and then put. So now see this. So P dollar means what? Dollar means P not smaller than he told. Not smaller than means P will be greater than or equal to Q. Okay. So dollar means greater than or equal to, according to that. Next is at copyright means neither greater than nor equal to. So it will not be greater, it will not be equal. So copyright means it is less than. In the same way, hash means what? Hash means neither smaller nor equal. So it means it should be greater than Q. Hash means. In the same way, hash means greater. Next, percentage means not greater than. It means that less than or equal to. Next, at the rate means neither greater nor smaller. So at the rate means it is equal to. Equal to. Okay. So from this, first what we should do, we should directly get the statement. What is the statement saying? R hash greater than J. J dollar no. J dollar means greater than or equal to D. D at the rate equal to K. K percentage less than or equal to T. So hash means what here? Hash means greater. At the rate means equal to. Again hash means greater. So this is greater than or equal to. So now from this can I say that whether first one is following or not? What is relation between first and second? You see, from this I can say that D is less than or equal to T. So from this I can say that T is greater than or equal to D. So first one and second one, either one or two will follow. Either one or two will follow. So second option is gone, third option is gone, none of this is gone. So answer should be either option D or option A. So fourth one don't check. Anyway, in option D and option A, that is not there, no? So now see third one, R and Q, R and K. R is greater than K is following, no? From this. So answer should be D. Okay. Now solve this and tell me the answer. Solve this second one and tell me the answer. Here only are there, no? These logics only, no? You solve and tell me the answers. These only, no? You solve and tell me the answer. For second one, be fast, everyone. Which one? Second one you want me to explain, huh? Prashanti Mura. Which question in this, in earlier one, or what? This one you want me to explain, second one? Okay, Prashanti, I'll explain. See, A and E, we don't have direct relation. Between A and C, I have a relation that is A is less than C. And between C and E, I have a relation from the given statement that is C is equal to E. When I combine these two, in place of C, I can put E. So A is less than or equal to E. If A is less than or equal to E, it means that E is greater than A. So satisfied. Now A and D also, between A and C, I have a relation that A is less than or equal to C. And C and D, I have a relation that C is less than D. Okay. So from this, if I combine, I'll get this. If I get this, from this, I can directly tell that dominant is less than, so A is less than D. Okay. So now see this second one, you tell me answers, everyone. Which one, in which question, Mohammed? Second one, none of this. Previous one. Muhammad, which one earlier one? Prashanti, earlier one I told, na? I explained, see. In this first one, you want me to tell? See, here we got that R. This is the entire statement now. When you combine all the things. Okay, if you combine everything, you'll get this is the entire statement. Now, from this, I can say that R is directly greater than K. Because only dominant is which one? Greater than. Okay. In place of D, you can put K. So now R is greater than J. J is greater than or equal to K. From that second one, third one, this is satisfying. Now coming to first one, first and second. So I got that D is less than or equal to T from the start, from these two. In place of K, I'll put D. And then from this, I can say that T is greater than or equal to D. So T will be greater than D or T will be equal to D from this. So it is either 1 or 2. Now satisfied? Okay. So now coming to second one. Second one, T percentage. See, T is less than or equal to R. R dollar M. R dollar means dollar is what for us? Dollar is greater than or equal to M. M at the rate D. At the rate means M equal to D. D copyright. D is less than H. So conclusions are D percentage. D percentage means less than or equal to R. H hash. H is greater than R. T copyright. T copyright is less than M. T percentage. Percentage is less than or equal to D. So from this T and D, what is the relation? We cannot tell the relation, no? So we cannot tell the relation. So T and D, this is gone. So T and M, also we cannot tell the relation. H and R. H and R also we cannot tell the relation. D and R is greater than or equal to M, that is equal to D we have. So from this R is greater than or equal to D. So D is less than or equal to R. So from this I can say that only one is true. Understood? T and D we cannot get the relation, no? Fourth are correct you are telling, no? T and D we cannot get the relations. Okay. Next. See this. See these two again if you want I'll write here somewhere. Percentage means less than or equal to. At the rate means equal to. Hash means dollar means greater than or equal to. Copyright is less than. Hash means greater than. Now you solve. Now you solve and tell me. Sorry, you replace those symbols, copyright you put there. Sorry. R&B, I wrote na copyright. So what is the answer for first one? M at the rate means M equal to B. B hash means what? Hash is greater than N. N greater than or equal to R. R copyright K. Copyright means less than K. So conclusions are K hash means greater than B. R less than B. M greater than or equal to R. N less than M. So first one K and B, we don't have any relation, so doesn't follow. R and B, it will be B is greater than R, so from that R is less than B. So M and R, this is not going to follow. So M is greater than N. So from this N is less than M. So this is going to follow. So 2 and 4 are true. Option C is correct. So here I have given randomly dollar. So let us see what will happen. So F hash. So F hash means F is greater than H. H at the rate means at the rate is equal to M. M copyright is E. E dollar J. E dollar J is greater than or equal to J. Okay. So now J copyright J is less than M. E hash greater than H. M copyright is less than F. F hash E. F is greater than E. Okay. So from this what? J and M. So we don't have any relation. E and H. We don't have any relation. M and F. M and F. F is greater than M. So M is less than F. Satisfied. F and E. F and E, we don't have any relation. Only 3. So none of this follows. Okay? None of this. Now do this. Now do this similarly. Again, you want me to write a percentage is at less than or equal to, at the rate means equal to. Actually, dollar is greater than or equal to. Copyright is less than. Hash is greater than. Tell me answer for this. So what is the answer? D percentage, D is less than or equal to A at the rate means equal to B copyright means less than K percentage means less than or equal to M. Coming to conclusions, this is dollar, okay? So B dollar greater than D, K greater than A, M greater than B, A less than M. Okay. So what is the conclusion from this B and D? What is the relation? D is less than or equal to B. From this, B is greater than or equal to D. So only this will not follow. Either means it will follow. Okay. K and A. K and A. So A is less than K. So K is greater than A. So this is following. So M and B. M and B. B is less than M. So M is greater than B. Satisfied. A and M. So A is less than M. So satisfied. 2, 3 and 4 are true. Okay. 2, 3, 4 are true. For sure, you'll have 2 or 3 questions in placement examinations. Don't worry. Even though it is simple, you should be able to answer. Next. So next you solve this. This is previous question. You solve this and tell me the answer. So what is he saying? Star means what? Sorry, star is what? Not greater than means P is less than or equal to Q. Not greater than means less than or equal to. And then dollar means what? Not smaller than. So it is greater than or equal to Q. So now what is this symbol called? I don't know. What is this symbol called? Neither smaller than nor greater than. So P is equal to Q. Next, at the rate means what? At the rate means it is neither smaller than nor equal to. So it is greater than Q. So next hash means what? Hash means P is neither equal to nor greater than. So P is less than Q. Okay. So this you copy and put because this is common in all the cases. So screen is sharing or not? 1 minute, 1 minute. Now solve this question and tell me the answer. Be fast, everyone. All four were following. Which one? First one is not following, no. B is greater than D. B is less than or equal to, D is less than or equal to B. D is less than or equal to B. It means that if you have either individually, it will not follow. That means that B is greater than or equal to D. Okay. Individually, B is greater than D will not follow. When you have either or case only, we can tell. Cool sparrow. Third option. Third option you want me to explain, Manohar. So M is greater than B, he told, no? So between B, K less than or equal to M. So from this, which is dominant, B is less than M will come. So from this, I can say that M is greater than B. That's it. M is greater than B. Okay. Next. So you solve this. What is the statement given? N equal to B. B greater than or equal to W. W hash. Hash is less than Q. Sorry, less than H. W is less than H. H star less than or equal to M. So now coming to conclusions. M at the rate W. M at the rate W means M is greater than W. H greater than N. W equal to N. W hash means W less than N. Okay. So what is this? So from this, what is the relation between M and W? W is less than M. So M is greater than W. So satisfied. H and N, no relation. W and N equal to B, that is greater than or equal to W. From this, I can say that N is greater than or equal to W. W is less than or equal to N. So from this, can I say that W equal to N or W less than N? Am I correct? So from this, can I say that this is either 3 or 4? Either 3 or 4. That's it. So what about next one? So for this answer is what? Only either 3 or 4 and 1 is true. Okay. Okay, you are clear with that previous question now? Okay, no problem. Dollar means what? Greater than or equal to only. Ah, okay, sorry. Dollar, no, greater than. So then all are true. Sorry. So if it is greater than or equal to, then all are true. Okay. Oh, this is dollar, no? Okay, no problem. Okay. Now solve this and tell me the answer B first. So now here also you write the same way. R star na. R star means R is less than or equal to D. D dollar Q greater than or equal to J. J hash. J is less than M. M is greater than K. So now K hash. Hash means what? K is less than J. D at the rate means greater than M. R hash. R less than M. D at the rate means what? Greater than K. So from this K and J, what relation they have? They don't have any relation, so doesn't follow. D is greater than M, doesn't follow. R and M, no relation. D and K, no relation. So none is true is the answer. None is true. So next one, you solve this and tell me. Everyone be fast. Be fast. So H at the rate, H is greater than T, T hash F less than F equal to E, E less than or equal to V. So V is greater than or equal to F, E greater than T, H greater than V, T less than V. So from this V and F, what is the relation? F is less than or equal to V. So from this V is greater than or equal to F. So first one follows. Okay. Now coming to second one. So E and T will have a relation. What is that? F is less than E. So E will be greater than T. So satisfied. H and V will not have relation. T and V will have relation that T is less than V. So satisfied. So first, second and fourth follows. So option 2 is correct. Next, see this D at the rate. T is greater than Q, D is greater than R star less than or equal to K at the rate, K at the rate F. K at the rate F means K is greater than F dollar greater than or equal to J. So now coming to this, J hash, no, J is less than R. J is less than K. R is less than F. K at the rate. K greater than D. So first is J and R will not have relation. J and K will have relation. That is K is greater than J. From this, J is less than K. So true. R and F will not have relation. K and D and K also will not have relation. So only conclusion 2 follows. So none is the answer. Am I correct? Once check. Next one. So you do this one. So you do this later. Take screenshot of it. So next question. This question. This is also similar only. Earlier one only. No, no. This you do no. This you do no. Be fast, everyone. This you do. I am not going to do anything. You only should answer all the questions. Simple topic, but weightage will be high in your placement exams. Solve everyone and tell me the answers. So I hope you people have solved this. This is simple only, no? So copyright. So after this, I'll give you some company specific question, copyright. Not that why I am giving these kind of questions frequently, no. Here you'll make mistake. Copyright means not greater than Q. So here already, so copyright means not greater than, no. So it is less than or equal to. Okay. Dollar means it is not smaller than. So greater than or equal to. At the rate means neither smaller than nor greater than. So it is equal to. Star means it is neither greater than nor equal to. So it is less than. Percentage means it will be greater than. Okay. So from this, can I say that D at the rate equal to M dollar is greater than or equal to B. Greater than or equal to B, and B star that is less than R percentage that is greater than T. So B and D, what is the relation? Star means it is less than D. B at the rate means it is, we did already this one. No, we didn't do, no. Okay. So B at the rate means at the rate is equal to D. So next T star M less than M. See, whenever you get this, you try to see whether you'll get don't put away neither follows. Okay, what we'll do now? T and M, we cannot form the relation. So third is not following. So first one, B is not less. From this, I can say that D is greater than or equal to B. So B is less than or equal to D. So we'll see this. Less than not following, equal to not following. So we'll put away none is true. First option, that only will be there. But here, what is the case? Either one or two. One or two follows. So option 5 is the correct one. Okay. So similarly, you do this. We have quiz on 8:40. Okay. Anyway, my class will be completed. Topic will be completed by 8:30. Chandana. Okay. So now coming to this question. You solve this question also. Similar only, from that only you take and tell me the answer. After that, we'll go for some company specific questions. So you are on the screen, please. Q is not visible. Where? Like previous one, you want me to go for the previous screen? That is why I told you to write on a paper this one. Initially itself you write away this one. So W copyright means it is less than or equal to F. F at the rate, F equal to D. So D star is less than K. K dollar is greater than or equal to J. So it is percentage means what? Percentage is greater than K greater than W. D greater than or equal to W. Next K dollar, no? K dollar greater, sorry, F star, no? F star. So less than J. Okay. So now what are the conclusions? W is less than or equal to D. So D is greater than or equal to W. So true. K and W. So W is less than K. So K is greater than W. Satisfied. F and J. So F and J will not get relation. So only 1 and 2 are true. Is correct. Only 1 and 2 are true. F less than K, na? Sorry. F less than K, no? F less than K, then F is less than K is true. So all are true. Okay, not this one. 1, 2, all 1, 2 and 3 are true. So now I'll go for specific cases. See, answer this. So what is the answer for this? Q is greater than P. So all relations are directly given. Q and N. What is the relation? Q is greater than or equal to P. P equal to R. R is greater than or equal to N. So Q is greater than P. That is greater. That is equal to. See here. In place of P, I can put away R, no? Greater than or equal to N. So from this, I can say that Q is greater than or equal to N is true. Am I correct? So first one is true. Now coming to second one, what is the relation between R and E? So R and E don't have relation because in between we have opposite symbol. Okay, only conclusion one is true. Next one. You solve this and tell me the answer B first. So what is this? Q, G and P, I want the relation. So between G and P, I will not get the relation because in between I have two opposite symbols. So G and P are not possible. S and R possible. S and R also we cannot tell. So neither. Option D is correct. Am I correct? Option D is correct. Neither you should tell. So if there are only two, he will give you neither. That you shall have to tell. Okay. Next one. Next one. Next company specific question. So this one reverse inequality case. Reverse inequality case is that he'll give away a condition here itself. Here itself he'll give away a condition. Okay. And then we should tell which of the statement we have to find out. We have to find out the statement. Okay. So which of the following expressions W in which of the following expressions W greater than Z should become true and Y greater than Z also should be true. So from first one, W is greater than Z following. Here W is greater than Z is following, but Y and Z will not have relation, will have relation. See, Z is less than Y. So Y is greater than Z. So satisfied. So first one itself, option A itself, it is satisfying. Now if you have doubt, see in second one, W is greater than Z. Here also Z is less than Y is satisfying. So from this Y is greater than Z. Satisfied. Second also is satisfying. Next option C, you see. Option C. Option C, from this can I say that W is greater than Z, satisfied. Next, Z is less than Y is also satisfied. So option C also is satisfying. So option D, all of the above satisfies is correct. Okay, all of the above. In haste, don't put away one and then go away for the next option. Okay. All are okay with this question now? This is called reverse inequality. Reverse inequality. So reverse inequality means he will give away conclusion and you have to find out the statement. Till now what we were doing? Till now we were doing questions like initially he will give away the statement and we have to find out the conclusion. Now in this case what happened? He has given the conclusion and we are finding the statement. Okay. So now answer me for this. Answer me for this. Option B, Ravati commented option B, Vaibhav commented option B, Preeti, Pooja, all are commenting of option B. See, Cool Sparrow, which one you want me to explain? Previous one. Previous one, from the given conclusions, we have to find out the statement. See, in first one, W and Z we have a relation that W is greater than Z. Greater than, equal to, no. So from that W is greater than Z. So that is satisfying. And between H and Y, Z is less than H, that is less than or equal to Y. From this, can I say that Z is less than Y, so Y is greater than Z. So this also is satisfying, this also is satisfying. So from this, both. Okay, similarly for second option, third option also it is satisfying. So all of the above it is satisfying. So now coming to this question, what is that? M and Y we have to tell the relation. So when you have like this, there is a possibility of coming either or. Am I correct? So now M and Y we don't have direct relation. Which is a common term in both the cases. N is a common term. Am I correct? M is greater than or equal to N. So from first statement. From second statement, N is greater than or equal to Y. This is from second statement. So now if I combine these two, can I tell that M is greater than or equal to N? That is greater than or equal to Y. From this, can I say that M is greater than or equal to Y? M is greater than or equal to Y. So individually, if you see, it is not going to follow. But from this, can I say that M is greater than Y or M equal to Y? So this is nothing but either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2. That's it. Okay. See, many times I told you not to ask for attendance link. People will share that. When they share, you fill that. Meanwhile, when I am telling the class, you try to concentrate on the class. What is the need in asking for attendance link? When you are present in the class, automatically you will get the link. No. Without sharing the link, they will not end the class. So when I am telling the class, please maintain your concentration on the class. If you put request for attendance link or some other thing, along with you, other people also will get diverted. Okay. Don't take it negatively. So I don't want others to get disturbed. Okay. Are you all okay with this class of today? So all these questions will be there in the LMS portal. They will be uploading this document. So in this questions, whatever are left out, so whatever I am showing now, so these will be left out now that you see and submit your answers. Okay. Comment the answers in the YouTube like that. So in this topic, you will be having questions will be like this. First case is they'll give statements and we have to find out conclusions. In that also, and then second one is reverse inequality. Reverse inequality is that he'll give conclusion and he'll tell you to find out the statement. And this comes under multiple answers. Multiple answers in the sense, so multiple conclusions will be true. When multiple conclusions are true, then after combination of that only we'll get the answer. That is either or case. Either or is very important in this case. Okay. Are you all okay with the class? Are you all okay with the topic? Please tell me whether you are okay. So even though this looks very simple topic or easiest topic, you will have a good weightage in examinations. Okay, there is very good scope of getting wrong. For sure, you will have either or case in the examinations. Okay. Is anybody having any doubt with the class of today? Thank you, Pooja. Yeah, Pooja, this is important topic. In examinations, other exams also you'll be getting this. This one and variation, they don't tell proper outside, but this is very important. Okay. Okay, Chandana, you can take over. Thank you, Niklesh.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Cycle.
Thank
So
you.
guys, we have a test today. So yes, I'm going to share the link. Please take your time. Okay, think twice while you are mark your answers. I'm giving 20 minutes time for this. Okay. All the best, everyone. Ma'am, is this course useful for I'm from BSc background? Yes, definitely it will be useful. So guys, time out. So now you people can't able to submit your test. Yeah, I'm ready with the top 20. I will share attendance link as well now. Please take your attendance. Yeah, these are the top 20 list. Congratulations, guys, because of your effort, and I'm very happy that your efforts was very great. 200 people got 20 out of 20. Congratulations, everyone. Who submitted early, I mentioned those names here. So remaining people, don't be upset. Okay. Attendance link. Yes, I'm sharing. So meanwhile, any questions you can ask me. And tomorrow we have a programming skills as tomorrow is a weekend. So 10:30 to 1 p.m. we have a session. Okay, don't miss it. Inform your friends as well. Yesterday we didn't get the link. Why, ma'am? So Ashwini, which link you are talking? Attendance link. When are you there in the session? Do you see the scores of the test written by us for placement, ma'am? Yeah. Yeah, but we'll see this. Not the attendance link, ma'am. Session link. Ashwini, actually, we sent the Zoom link in our WhatsApp channel. Did you join our WhatsApp channel? Yes, Mahbooba. What's your query? No, madam. Okay, fine. I will share that. Ma'am, every day the quiz is there. No, before one day I will inform you when I'm going to conduct the quiz. And one more thing, after finishing every topic, I'm going to conduct the quiz on that particular topic. Ma'am, I submitted exam 3 seconds late. Okay. So you submitted or not finally? But it's not accepting. Fine. Just check now. So guys, I'm sharing the WhatsApp link now. So whoever missed to join our WhatsApp channel, please join. Next quiz one will be the mom. Tomorrow I will inform in the session. How can we attend the class? How you join today, YT? Did you join our WhatsApp channel? If you didn't means you can join now. So in WhatsApp channel, you will get link daily and YouTube link, Zoom link as well. Ma'am, tomorrow we have a session. Yes, we have a session on programming skills tomorrow. 10:30 to 1. Morning class. Okay, you are asking that. Okay, fine. You can see what recording classes for tomorrow. And Sunday also we have a class, no? You can join to that class. Ma'am, we are getting only YouTube link. No, Sinchana, I'm giving that Zoom link as well. But what about the attendance, ma'am? Attendance for tomorrow, there is no attendance. Can you show the next 18 marks also, ma'am? We want to see our score in leaderboard. Creative. Yeah, try to get 20. So we have a 200 people who got 20 out of 20. I have to skip that and I have to show 18 marks, people. Ma'am, tomorrow I have exam for 10 to 12. So, okay, who are having college, you can go to the college. So you can watch the recording from LMS. Okay, no problem for one day. Sai Shivani, no, just skill up yourselves. Okay. So we have a multi-test and final test as well. So in that, score better. That's it. Okay, ma'am, attendance link I missed. Yes, I'm sharing now. Vivek, don't worry. Just prepare for the next exam, like next quiz. So you will get. Ma'am, I joined the group recently, so I have less attendance. Then for tomorrow absent, my attendance got very less, ma'am. We will consider. Okay, no issue. Ma'am, yesterday I gave attendance at 10 p.m. on LMS because I forgot to mark at 9. No problem. Nazir Basha, you can check now. Maybe it will show. Harshini, no problem for 1 day attendance. We are not considering that. Okay, no need to worry. You can go to the colleges. Ma'am, is there any special about getting top 20 members? No, it's not like that. Just we are appreciating them. That's it. We are motivating yourselves. That's it. Ma'am, I didn't get verification mail. Drop an email to edl@excello.com or else check in your spam mails. When will be the next quiz? Tomorrow I will inform or else I will text in the group, okay? If you miss the class means I will give a text, okay? That tomorrow we are having quiz like that. So I hope all are registered for this skill up course. So again, I'm sharing the registration link. Who missed out, please register and inform to your friends as well. Ma'am, placements when it will start? Yes, in March ending or April first week. Okay. So guys, we're done for the day. All BTech final year students, ma'am. Gopichand, here we have a not only BTech, every branch is there like MCA, MBA, BSc, all the types. So everyone can enhance their skills here. You have already sent mail that I check spam mails also, madam. Once again, you just drop an email. I will look into that, please. Multiple registrations, if done once, will you consider, ma'am? Yeah, one-time registration is enough, no? Ma'am, how I get recording sessions? Through LMS, you can see the recording sessions. Ma'am, do all streams get placements? Yeah, EC, CSC students, they are getting placements. Not civil. Okay. How many months will be given for placement? So this program is a 3 to 4 months program. So we are teaching about 5 topics, that is quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability, soft skills and programming skills. So after this, we will teach how to discuss in a group discussion, how to build your resume, all the things, how to make your LinkedIn as also. So after that, for final year engineering students, we are going to provide placement assistance. Okay, fine. So we are done for the day. We'll meet on tomorrow morning session. Up to then, take care. Bye-bye. Go and have your food. We'll see you on tomorrow. Bye. Good night.